Hey craft lovers, do you spend your free time like knitting, woodworking, or making awesome DIY projects? What if I told you that your hobby could earn you up to $15 an hour? Today I'm sharing 7 craft selling sites for hobbyists where you can turn your DIY into $15 an hour. So let's get started. Okay, so first on this list is going to be a website called Etsy. So you can sell handmade crafts like jewelry, home decor, or your cozy knitwear, stuff you make with your own hands. So head over to Etsy.com to set up your shop. Pay-wise, you're looking at $5 to $50 an hour, all right? So this is averaging around $15 with steady sales. Now, why is this awesome, right? Etsy is basically, they have a very large craft market and global buyers are ready to snap up your creation. Next on this list, we've got Amazon Handmade. Now, Amazon Handmade is perfect for listing artisan goods you craft, like woodwork pieces or pottery. So check it out at amazon.com/handmade. You could make $10 to $40 an hour, with $15 being pretty common. So why go for it? Amazon's massive audience means tons of people will see your handmade treasures. Number 3 is Folksy. It's a US-based site where you can sell crafts you make, like prints or textiles, all handmade in the UK. So visit folksy.com to get started. Pay ranges from $5 to $20 an hour, hitting $15 with good sales. Now, what's cool with this website is that they've got a niche UK focus and low fees, keeping more cash in your pocket. Next up, IndieCart. This is ideal for eco-friendly crafts you make, like soaps or wooden toys. So hit up IndieCart.com to list your stuff. Pay between $5 to $20 an hour, reaching $15 with solid sales. Why is this a win-win situation? Basically, it's affordable to join and caters to a handmade, eco-conscious crowd. Fifth on the list is Bonanza. Sell your handmade goodies like quilts or pottery right from your workbench. Check out bonanza.com. You could earn $5 to $25 an hour, averaging $15 with steady buyers. Now, why pick this bonanza.com? Basically, they have low fees and a growing marketplace for unique crafts you create yourself. Number 6 is going to be eBay. Now you can sell your handmade crafts like art pieces or accessories to a huge audience. So go to ebay.com to set up. Now you're looking at $5 to $30 an hour. Basically $15 is in the zone with good sales. Now, why is this worth it? Well, eBay, basically they have got millions of buyers and you control what you make and also what you sell over there. Now, last but not least, is going to be a website called Big Cartel. So you set up your own shop to sell crafts you make, like jewelry or prints, right from home. So go to bigcartel.com to start. You could earn $5 to $20 an hour. $15 is doable with steady sales as well. So this is worth it because it's free for small shops and built for creators just like you. So those are the top 7 craft selling sites for hobbyists where you can turn your DIY into $15 an hour. All the links are going to be in the description right below here. So pick one and start selling your handmade stuff. Now, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if this sparks some ideas to you, and subscribe for more ways to cash in on what you love. Now, see you on the next video.